Hey everybody, it's Shannon. I recently returned from my first ever trip to Houston. According to the City of Houston's website, Houston is the fourth most populous city in the United States, following New York, Los Angeles, and Chicago. It's actually on track to become the third most populous city in the nation in the late half of the 2020s. Greater Houston is also the most ethnically diverse metropolitan area in the nation. With over 145 languages spoken, 90 nations have consular representation in the city. While I was there, I was fortunate to meet a lot of great people, and I asked a few of them what are their favorite things about Houston and what are their least favorite things about Houston. Check it out.
Okay, so what's the best thing about living in Houston?
Nothing.
The food.
The food is awesome.
Different restaurants, you have all kinds of variety.
Any type of food you can ever think of, we have it in Houston, and it's pretty good.
Whether you like seafood or what we're known for, barbecue. And we have it all here as far as food goes.
Cost of living.
Cost of living?
Here you get a nice house for $300,000.
You can get a house with a cheap, less money than other states like California.
They do have a museums, and they do have the music. What do you call it?
We have music, museums, zoos.
It has the widest freeway, Interstate 10, the widest freeway in the whole world. Katy, Texas is the widest freeway in the whole world. Look it up on Google.
There is many opportunities for somebody who want to do something.
I like that it's a red state. Okay, I do like that.
And
We have
bars.
colleges.
Bars.
We
The
have
colleges.
Rice.
There's Rice colleges.
University of Houston.
That's a little college. We have the University of Texas in Austin, which is big.
Yeah, well, you guys
Big.
We have many people from all over the world that are here. So is when you want to gain different experience from different people from all over the world, then when you come to Houston, you'll meet them.
We got
Oh,
soccer.
they have a great quilt show. Number
Great
one
quilt.
in the nation.
Oh, everybody goes to that.
November.
Everybody knows what the filters are out there.
And the people here, they're nice, they're friendly. And so those are some of the things that I like about Houston.
The things I don't like about Houston?
Yeah.
Where do you want me to start? Oh!
The traffic.
Nothing's really close.
What do you not like about Houston?
Well, what I don't like about Houston is what we're feeling now. Our summers are super hot and super humid.
See, I'm okay with that. I don't mind the humidity, right? I go outside and run in the heat. I mean, if you don't enjoy being outdoors, 3-4 months is pretty hot. But the rest of the year, you can go outside, go golfing, pretty much 10 months a year.
The water is full of oil and crud.
Downtown Houston's not bad. I mean, it's got a good sports venue. The Astros, the Texans aren't so hot.
University of Houston is a
Houston
little
is-
guy playing AAA. Come on, they don't play the big time.
You don't live in Houston. You need to just shut up. You live in Austin.
I don't live in Austin.
Yes, you do.
I don't go to Austin.
Our hot summers are something that I don't like and like a lot of people don't like, but that's something I'm willing to sacrifice because it's pretty cool living here.
Only thing we don't have is like hills, everything's pretty much flat. Right? So, but there's not much I don't like here. I guess that's why I've been here for 30 years.
To me, I have not seen anything which is, when I watch the news to compare with other big cities in America, like Chicago, like other cities, I think Houston is a little bit better than, so I have not seen any worse thing in Houston for my own myself.
Nothing bad?
No, as you compare with other states.
As you can see, people love the food, they love the museums, the music festivals, the quilt show. Some of them love the humidity in Houston, the low cost of living, things like that, the opportunity, the diversity. In terms of cons, people talk about the humidity, the traffic, certain sports teams. If you're a Houstonian as well, I'm curious to know what you think. What do you like about Houston? What do you not like so much? Please write them in the comments down below. Love you guys. Habkum. See you soon.